Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make donuts without eggs. Eggs typically add structure, moisture, and richness to baked goods. However, with the right substitutes, you can achieve delicious, fluffy donuts. We'll explore simple, effective alternatives that ensure your donuts are just as delightful. Get ready to learn the secrets to perfect egg-free donut making, ensuring a wonderful treat for everyone to enjoy. For successful egg-free donuts, choosing the right substitute is crucial. A flax egg made by combining 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed with 3 tablespoons of water works wonderfully as a binder. Alternatively, 1/4 cup of unsweetened applesauce can replace 1 egg, adding moisture and a hint of sweetness. Mashed ripe banana is another excellent option, providing both moisture and binding qualities to your dough. Once you have your ingredients, proper mixing is key. Thoroughly combine all dry ingredients before incorporating the wet ones to ensure even distribution. Knead the dough for about 5 to 7 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. When frying, heat your oil to precisely 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry each donut for 2 to 3 minutes per side until golden brown and cooked through. The final touch is the glaze. Whisk together powdered sugar, a splash of milk, and a dash of vanilla extract for a classic finish. Immediately after frying, while the donuts are still warm, dip them into your prepared glaze. This allows the glaze to melt slightly and adhere beautifully. Let them set for about 10 to 15 minutes on a wire rack before serving. Enjoy your delicious homemade egg-free donuts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.